so much.
I'm giving it up from motherfucking FJ Outlaw and Johnny really good.
Make some noise! Hell yeah! Me and this man are gonna go refresh ourselves real quick. I think y'all can catch me out there. I'm gonna come hang out with you beautiful motherfuckers one time. Let's drink a shot. Let's drink a shot. Let's smoke some pot outside. Outside. Out there. How you fucking doing it here? Outside. There. Outside, baby. Hey, if y'all had a good time tonight, make some fucking noise. Hey, you got that cool? I love y'all, man. Like I said, we're gonna go cool off. We're gonna go catfish cool off and fucking hang out. And we're gonna be out there with you guys. I'll be on merch. Come check us out. We got CDs, we got shirts, we got koozies, we got all that shit. I'll sign whatever. Your baby, your dog's Dakota, your nipple. I don't care. We'll sign that shit. I love y'all. Thank you, Flint, Michigan. I love y'all. Machine shout, let me hear y'all one more time for Big Murph and Catfish. Come on! Fucking hey, baby. I gotta take a piss. I ain't gonna lie right to y'all. I've been drinking a lot and I gotta piss. But we gonna put